Hello guys, today we're going to drink only tea. Tea stretching we're doing. Okay, I will show you guys. Ayan. Because today it's cold down here, so we need to tea stretching. See what I'm doing now. Yeah. This is stretching with my what do you call this? With my sock. With the this nigga sock. With the stocking. Ayan, the winter stocking guys. So this is it. And with all my dogs, there we go with Lucky. So yeah guys. Today is very lonely day. It's very cloudy and raining. So ayan. So I try to be stretching guys. This stretching is calling tea stretching. So there you go. Guys, while I'm stretching because I have my tea. This is my new invention. Tea stretching. That's it. So guys, maybe 5 minutes stretching. Ah, so warm guys. The tea is so warm. Ayan guys. This is stretching. 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 And now guys, the other side we're doing again. So stretching, 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 stretching. Even my dog are try to join with my stretching guys. Ayan, we need to make like that. So guys, this is like a yoga stretching. So yoga stretching also, or tea yoga stretching. So guys, thank you all to my members. Thank you so much. Ayan, there are even I don't know who's the other. Oh, thank you for my members. Thank you guys. So this is our stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah guys, this stretching can help my body. Because you know guys, I got sick 2 days ago or 3 days ago. So I feel really lazy. I feel really tired. So that's now I'm trying and I'm doing the yoga stretching. So stretching, 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 and stretching. So guys, whoops, whoops, whoops. And we need to make also guys like this stretching. So this called teacup stretching. 1, 2, 3. Wait guys, I need to make my right actually this is the right things guys. Oh, they have a butas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And guys, of course, after that, we need to make this. So guys, and this is the side stretching. Side. O, diba? This is my new invention. My new invention stretching. Ayan. While Victoria and Douglas are watching me. Right? So stretching. Stretching. The side stretching. And then after that, we need to take my tea, guys. So, ayan. And of course, ayan. This is Victoria. After we talking with Victoria, I think Victorious is hungry already. I am the one who making the stretching, not with Victoria. So guys, so Victoria also making stretching. Stretching with Victoria. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the Victoria stretching right now, guys. It's not my stretching no more. This is Victoria stretching. Okay, Victoria, go. Stretching, continue. There we go. So, and now guys, we need to make a, ayan. This is the legs. Press leg. O, diba? 1. While I'm doing, and Victoria, look. Until I'm doing this, also Victoria's doing her things. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ayan guys. Actually, my throat is still aching. So, this tea is ginger tea. This ginger tea. Ayan guys. Until Victoria's doing her stretching, let's continue and let us continue Victoria's doing her stretching. There we go. The Victoria stretching. So guys, ayan, it's cold now here. As I told you. Ayan. So I miss you guys. I miss you all. I cannot make still live because my really throat is really aching. And you see, I have my voice is different. I cannot talk too much still, guys, because my throat is also a little bit. I think it's swollen still. I feel it when I'm drinking or when I what do you call that? When I ano ba yung lumulunok in English, and when I swallow. Okay, that's it. When I swallow something, my throat is still aching. So ayan guys, this is only updating for you and to all my members and to all my subscriber. And thank you for continuing subscribing my channel. So thank you guys. Don't worry, next time I will be we're going to do too much live or beautiful lives. So guys, thank you so much. I will continue now my stretching. Bye. Don't forget to smile.